In this video, we'll be going on a day trip to Amalfi, leaving from Sorrento, and a typical morning in our Airbnb. Get yourself a cup of coffee and be ready to see how to spend a perfect day on the Amalfi coast. Without further ado, let's get started. If it's morning for you, then good morning. We started our day by making breakfast at home, aka our Airbnb, which I'll link in the description below. Before making our way to Amalfi, we needed our morning coffee. This morning we decided to make our own coffee. Initially, we didn't know how to use the coffee maker, and I clearly made a mess. I usually use an espresso machine at home, so I had to get some help from a YouTube tutorial. After a couple tries, I managed to make a delicious coffee, which brewed for about 5 minutes, and then was ready to be served, with some fresh fruit, yogurt, and pastries which we had on our balcony, as we planned a spontaneous day trip to Amalfi. You're probably wondering how to get there. Take a scooter, ferry, or car. It takes about 2 hours by scooter from Sorrento. I personally believe the scenic route will be the highlight of your day or even trip. Or you can also take a ferry to Amalfi, and this lets you see the coast from afar, where you could admire the incredible landscape. You can also take a car and get driven by someone, if you are not prone to car sickness. You're probably wondering what to do in Amalfi. As we arrived and made it in one piece, we parked the scooter in front of this view, then walked into the town where we got lemon sorbet. The town is not huge, so you don't need much time here. After wandering the streets, get yourself a coffee by this funny looking fountain, which is in the center of the Amalfi Square. After a good cup of coffee and perhaps a lunch, I suggest a boat tour. We got a tour of the coast for only 20 euros. From the boat, we saw some of the most beautiful views and many pastel architectural elements.
On the deck build was the house of the American writer Amalfi Town.
We then had to visit the chapel. We didn't have any expectations, but it was worth the visit. Here's a little sneak peek of what you might see. I loved Amalfi for its natural beauty, its postcard views, the lemon sorbet, the handcrafted ceramics, breathtaking architecture, and more. I have a video on Positano and Sorrento, which I'll link down below. Thanks for watching this one, and like, comment, and subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram at Kyara, and ciao for now.